right. Here we go, and this is more like it. As we can see, everything's back to the way it should be. My world is still here, and it's Halloween! What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going trick-or-treating in a little bit. But first, I need my breakfast. And hello, Barnaby. Nice to see you. Happy Halloween. Right, I do believe...
Stop him! I think he's got captured by my enemies Benevolent right now. We need to save him.
You know, I came here to take my anger out on a bunch of strangers. But now that I know you, I want to kill you even more.
Someone get me out of here now!
We can't wait forever. I mean, our subscribers need to know. We need to give them this message so they can be informed.
Yeah, I guess we need to inform the subscribers. We'll just wait a little longer.
He better be here soon.
Alright, let's take her to the guard building. So no one's looking. Let's do it.
That's it, let's start with him.
I want to say thank you for 38 subscribers.
Well, we just want to say thank you for subscribing. And you are now part of the Mario Muppet family. So we want you to feel part of the family and feel free to comment. And anything you say, we'll take to heart. Yes, yeah.
So, raise your hand if you're confused. Nobody? Okay. We love y'all. That's the main point. Thank you for subscribing. Right now, I think we're like 83 subscribers. So, bam, that's big. We'll be reaching 100 soon. But as you saw, Mario was abducted by Shy Guys. So, that's just a little tease for the future. There will be Shy Guys in Super Mario Adventure Season 2.
Oh yeah, this is what so I was joined on all platforms. So yeah. Oh, I forgot. Facebook, Pinterest, Google, and one and only Twitter. So you want to follow me on all platforms.
So be sure, if you're on any of those social networks, to check us out. Be friends with us. Tell your friends about us. Because we are here for you.
Oh God, what in the world? Oh God. Wasn't I told you by kissing a camouflage? So anyways, if you want to see more videos, click to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to turn notifications if you don't miss a single movie episode and more. And yeah, so I'm gonna head off.
Who knows who Barney is? Oh, Barney was a dinosaur.
That's a Freddy. Oh, whatever. That's about it, y'all. Thanks for subscribing and everything. What was that? Where's them two?
Guys! Shamus! Stampy!
Where are they? Where'd they go? Maybe they went back to... Oh!